Guys, welcome back to this lesson, and in this video today I'll be showing you a quick way on how I've been able to earn my first 100k online, and things that I did, how I did them, and how you can do the same thing and also get the same exact result that I got, even get more than the result I get. So as you can see on my screen, this is one of the affiliate program that I joined recently. I joined this affiliate program recently, and you can see that I've been able to earn some little figure here, around 7,000 something, which I can easily go ahead and withdraw anytime that I want to withdraw. So I'm going to show you how I've been able to do any of this stuff and how you can do the same thing. And this is not just the first one that I've done. I've earned so much from affiliate program, which you can do the same thing. So you can also take a look at this. You can see this is Owodele. I've been able to earn some good figure from here. Also, you can see that I've earned some figure here, and you can see the potential commission which I'm supposed to withdraw, which is currently pending. And these are simple things that you can actually do from home, and you can do any of this stuff with your phone. So, and you can even see on the screen right here where I'm posting it on the screen, you can see also one of my screenshot of my payment which I've received from one of the affiliate program, also which is called Dollar for Us. You can see that I've been able to earn around $436, which all these things were done with my smartphone. Now let's take a look at, let's do some simple calculation on that total of that figure, $436. And we know right now that dollar is around 1,450 or 1,500, but let's just assume it's 1,500. Now let's do a quick calculation on that particular figure, $436. Let's just do a quick calculation of it. 1,500 times 436 dollars. So let's just do a quick calculation of it and see the total amount. So you can see that only on Dollar for Us alone, I've been able to make around 554,000 naira from that particular platform. I've not done the calculation of Owodele, and I have other platforms which I've earned from the affiliate program. I've earned from Partner Stars affiliate program. I'm not talking about Dollar and Naira for All. I swear I've made some good figure. I'm one of the top referral programs on Nigeria right now, which is Naira for All. So I've earned some good figure from Naira for All alone, which I've not been able to log into that particular platform. So this is telling you that what I'm about to show you works, and this is things that you can do also by yourself using your smartphone. It is very simple, which anybody can do, and that is why it is very important you watch this video, so that I've been able to show you how I've been able to make this kind of figure. I've been able to make 654k. I've been able to make around 45,000. I've been able to make 7,000 naira from a new affiliate program which I just joined recently. There are strategy you need to do all of these things. All these things are not just done magically. They are not just done with assumption. These things are things you put into practice, just simple strategy that anybody can do, and you earn good figure from any of these platforms. So make sure you watch this video to the end and subscribe to this channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please ensure you subscribe to this channel, because in this channel I'll be showing a lot of good content that you are definitely going to like, and it's definitely going to help you to scale any online business. So without wasting much of your time, now let me tell you what I did on all of this to earn this good figure. As you can see right here, I'm a content creator. I'm a blogger too. Are you getting me? I'm a blogger too. I share content around blogging, around making money online, around product review. And if you agree with me, you know that all these platforms, which is Owodele, Dollar for Us, Naira for All, this a ClickPay that I also showed you, they are all affiliate program. Are you getting me? These ones, they are affiliate program. Owodele is also an affiliate program. Dollar for Us is also an affiliate program. Naira for All is also an affiliate program. And Partner Stars, which I mentioned, is kind of a platform that comprises different vendors that list their product, just like stakeholder we have in Nigeria, as partner and all of those things. Those platforms, people bring their product to market their product, which you as an affiliate can go in, sign up, and begin to promote their products. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So what I did on this particular platform, which is Dollar for Us, Naira for All, and on the rest of them, what I did was I signed up with them. I sign up with them as an affiliate So as I sign up with them as an affiliate, so what I did was, as I sign up, some of them request that you pay some a little token to sign up. That is to show that you are actually interested. That is actually to show that you are going to be serious with it. So what I did was to sign up on those affiliate program. I signed up with those affiliate program, and I get my affiliate link, and I wrote a blog post around those particular platform. Are you getting the gist now? So I wrote a post on a blog post, a blog article around those particular affiliate program that I joined. Now let me show you my blog, because I'm a blogger, and like I told you, I'm a blogger, and that is what I do fully. So, and you can do any of this stuff. Are you getting me? You can do any of this stuff with your smartphone. Now what I did was, as I signed up on those affiliate program, I get my affiliate link and went into research and draft a detailed articles around that. Now let me show you, let me take you to one of my blog, one of my Make Money Online blogs, so that you can take a look at what I'm showing, so that it will not just be like I'm just talking about theories. Are you getting me? So that it won't just be like as if I'm just talking about theories. Are you getting me? Now take a look at this. This is my blog. This is one of my blog. Let me refresh it so that you won't just think maybe it's someone else's blog. I'm going to show you my back pages and everything, so that you can take a look at my information, so that you'll be able to believe that this blog is my blog. So you can see that it's still refreshing. Let's just hold on as you complete refreshing. So you can see the about us, advertise with us, contact us. Now let me open here about us, so that you can take a look at this blog and know that this blog, I own this blog. So you can see that this is the about us. This is me, Osakwena Sinuchena. You can see me. This is me right here. So you can just go to Facebook and search about me. You see, so this is me. This is my very blog. This is one of my Make Money Online blog, which I currently own. Then let's take a look at the contact us. Let's take a look at the contact us. So that you can take a look at. So this, you can see that this is me. This is my contact. This is my WhatsApp contact, which you can even go ahead and call. So you can see my contact. So you can see, you can email us at this. So it's shading. So you see that these are my blog, and I'm telling you what I actually did, which you can also can do. But let me show you the gist. Now, how was I able to make money from all those platforms that I just showed you? You see that on Owodele, I've earned some good figure. On Dollar for Us, I've earned some good figure. I was able to do, like I told you, that I share content. As I joined those affiliate programs, I grab my affiliate link, and as I grab my affiliate link, I begin to write review around them. So that is that is what exactly what I did. Now take a look at this. You can see, let me show you what I did. You see, this is one of my review, Owodele review 2025, how to register and make money online. Owodele. This was written by Osakwena Sinuchena, and I published this 2 days ago. You can see. Now let me show you another one. So you can see Naira for All review 2025, the Remaking Money program for Nigerians. Naira for All. You see, I published this 4 days ago. There are so many that I've done. Just hold on, I'm still going to show you a gist which you need to know and begin to implement into your business. So you can say, let me check for Dollar for Us, so that you can also take a look at it. Let me search for Dollar for Us. Okay, Dollar for Us. There's the search button. So let me quickly search for Dollar for Us right here. Dollar for Us. Dollar for Us. So I've searched for Dollar for Us. You can see my reviews. What is Dollar for Us? How to earn $2 over and over again, make money online with Dollar for Us. Dollar for Us review, how to earn your first 50k from Dollar for Us. You see, these are content that I've written. You can see Naira for All review 2025, Remaking Money Online. Then you can also see the other one I just showed you, that is this particular one. You can see the review right here. You see ClickPay review. You can see them. All these things were things I did. Now, how was I able to actually earn from this stuff? Now, what I did, I want to open this particular article so that you can take a look at it and see what I'm about to show you on what I did. Are you getting me? So as you can see right here, that I've opened that particular content. What is Dollar for Us? How I earn $2 over and over. You can see, let me show you something. You see, this particular blue link you are seeing is an affiliate link. Are you getting me? So this is how I did all this stuff. I will create a quality blog post around any affiliate program that I want to join or that I've joined. After I've created quality content, I will copy my affiliate link and insert it into my blog post. You can see if I click this, it will open to dollar for us. This is an affiliate link. Now let me also show you, this is an affiliate link to dollar for us, because I'm an affiliate program to dollar for us. Are you getting me? Now this is also an affiliate link. So there are so many affiliate links on this particular blog post that you are seeing that is directly back to dollar for us platform, which is my affiliate link. You see, follow this step below to register. You see, click here. This is an affiliate. If I click here, it's going to take me back to dollar for us platform. Are you getting me? So this is just a simple secret on how being able to earn some good figure from my blog using all these simple strategies: signing up as an affiliate and getting my affiliate link and writing a good blog post. Now let's check Owodele again. Let's look at Owodele review. Owodele review 2025, how to register and make money. Now let's take a look at it and see. You see that this Owodele review, this is my content. You see this one that you are seeing here, like I said, Owodele review 2025 is an affiliate link. Now let me open it so that you can take a look at it and know that it is an affiliate link. Are you getting me? It's an affiliate link. Now let's check. You see, because I've logged into my Owodele account, that is why it's showing like this. Let me log out so that it can show properly. Let me leave the page and go back again to my blog, then click on this Owodele review 2025 and see. Let's see. You can see, look at here, this is my affiliate link. Are you seeing it here? This is my affiliate link, and you can see right here, say Osakwenes in Uchenna invite you to earn a reward on Owodele. Do you see it? So this is just the simple secret strategy that I did that have been able to earn me my first 100K from the internet. And as I've showed you in this lesson, these are just simple things you can also do for yourself. All these things I did it with my phone. I did it simply with my phone, and you can do even if you are 9 to 5 to 6. You are 9 to 5 job. You are doing a 9 to 5 job, you can do this stuff. Even if you are a student, you can do this stuff. Even if you are sit at home mom, sit at home dad, you can do this stuff. Whatever you are doing, you can do this stuff right from your home. So just do implement what I've showed you. Sign up, look for an affiliate program that has good affiliate commissions. Sign up, set up a blog, begin to write review about them, and you make a lot of money for yourself. So guys, if you gain value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And by the way, my name is Osakwenes in Uchenna, and I make content around making money online, affiliate marketing and blogging. So if you gain value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also share this video with your friends on social media if you gain value from this video. So guys, I will see you again on our next lesson. Share.